Welcome. Question 13 is on binary operation. If the operation star is defined on the set of real numbers as x star y equals to the root of x minus the root of y, or divided by 2 root x plus 3 root y, where the x and y are all bigger than 0, we have to evaluate 7 star 4. So it means that this is our x, this is what? Our y. So I'll just have the root of our x, which is 7, minus the root of our y, which is now what? 4, all divided by 2 the root of x, 7, plus 3 the root of what? Y, which is what? 4. We know the root 4 will give us a rational answer. So let's see if we can. Okay, let's bring it down and see. Okay, let me go there. So let's see, we have the root of 7 minus 2. Then we have 2 root 7. This is going to be 2 times this. So plus what? 6. So we are still having a set in the denominator. So we perform rationalization using the conjugate pair of what? The denominator. So this gives us root 7 minus 2 multiplied by 2 root 7 minus 6 divided by 2 root 7 plus 6 by the conjugate root 7 minus what? 6. So let's multiply and see. This is irrational, so therefore root 7 will give us 7. 7 times 2 will be 14. So I have 14 in the first multiplication. This coming here will give you negative 6, the root of 7, because this is irrational, this is rational. Then we pick minus 2 to multiply. So minus 4 root 7, because this is rational. Minus 2 times minus 6, that will give us what? Plus 12. Your denominator is just a difference of 2 squared. So you square the first term, you square the last term. So if you square this, 4 times 7, that will be 28. Minus, if you square the value of what? 6, you get what? 36. Let's look at the numerator again. This is minus 6 minus 4, all being said. So we can add the numbers in front. That will be minus 10. This and this will also give you 26. So as we'll be having 26 minus 10 root 7, all divided by, if we subtract here, that should be, if we add 2 here, we have 30, that will be 8, right? So as we'll be having negative 8, we can split the denominator on all of them. So we can either factorize a common factor there, which will be 2. But let's see. If I divide this, it will be 26 divided by negative 8 minus 10 divided by negative 8 will be 10 positive on 8 root of what? 7. What do we have as a common factor? 2. So this, let me use this so that I'll distinguish between that. So they'll give you negative 13 on 4, 5 on 4, the root of what? 7. That will be the final answer. So let's see which option we are going for. This is what the option will be. So option B will be the preferred choice. Thanks for watching. Come back for the next question 14.